In today's video, I will show you how to fix an iPhone 16 Pro Max stuck on the stop screen. So follow these simple steps to fix it. So let's get started. So the first step is first step your iPhone. To do it, you have to click the volume up button and volume down button quickly, and then hold the side button. As you can see, my selective power off is showing here. You just have to restart your iPhone, and this might solve your problem, because at most times this solves the problem. And if it doesn't work in the first method or first step, you have to try multiple times, because sometimes it takes multiple restarts to fix this problem. Now the second step is you have to complete setup without entering data. Instead of transferring data or signing into iCloud right away, skip these steps. Go through the setup process without entering your Apple ID or transferring data. Once you reach the home screen, follow the next step, which is update your phone. First of all, you have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then you have to go to settings. Then you have to tap on general. Then go to software update and update your phone. Some setup issues occur due to software bugs, and Apple releases updates to fix them. And now erase and reinstall your iOS. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.